This conference will now be recorded.
See here, the last class what we discussed.
SUIM.
So this is a user information. Okay. So RL is what we call calling a user tracing also.
Yes.
Okay. So here, what are the activity you have to perform by using SUIM here? So you can majorly for the reporting purpose, I'm using as a SUIM transaction code here. Okay. So meanwhile, what happened? So I have to perform any other activity. So I will be performed by using as a SUIM only.
Yes.
So before I'll go for as a so what we will do, can just go for as a LSMW for mass user maintenance. To creating a multiple user or you can using a script also same. So by using any method, how I can getting as a multiple users, we'll be go for all the detail one by one.
Okay.
So please share the screen.
Yes.
You see some of the issues on in what are the issues are there? Like what are the questions you have in?
Yes, yes, sir. I will tell. Sir, this fourth option, sir, these all tables are I'm just taking from the SE69. Is it any way to taking this table from the SUIM?
No, yesterday we don't have everything is just one user 02. What is the user 02 here? User logon data.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The master
So how we
data
can?
for all.
Yeah. So just how we can check in this all information? You can using as a RS some report name or you can go for SUIM. You can checking everything in SUIM.
So how can I check that USR 02 from the SUIM?
Yes, sir. 02 is the user logon data. When it is login, what the logon date, what the time is this, you can select everything. No? Go for SUIM.
Okay.
Expand the user. Expand the user logon data.
This one.
User by complex state area. First one. Click on execution. Click on execution. No need to put anything. Just show you all the data. No? Same report is getting yes or 02 also. No?
Okay. Yes. Okay. Also, as well as the also T code for the transaction. The transaction code also is also for the AGR1 underscore T code.
AGR underscore USR. This is one. And please.
Sir, can you please hold 2 minutes? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Just 2 minutes. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes. Sir, so this is the USR 02. This is the USR 02. And how can I taking the AGR 125 AGR T code or AGR groups?
AGR means by the AGR underscore T code is nothing but like what are the roles have in the transaction. Go for by role.
Acha, by role. Okay.
Now you have to go for expand the and by the transaction the assignment menu.
Transaction. Okay.
So enter any transaction code. How many rows having as a this transaction? That is the AGR underscore T code.
Okay. So
We enter the transaction code.
Acha. Acha. Okay.
Give any transaction, just SC16.
This is 16. Okay.
Click on execute. It's showing all the role detail. How many AGR underscore? This is the table.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. So I can just wait. Yes, I can take all the information from the SUIM also.
Yeah, only not everything, just some of the things.
Okay. Okay, and for fifth option, this report is not available in my system.
That is, that's not expense. You can take a RS USR 00 and you can take it. What is the report? Check it. What is the report is there?
Okay. It's 18. Okay.
Just type the meaning. What is it? Because of all latest versions is not declared. Just RS USR 003. When you're typing, automatically getting
RS USR
0
N.
Is there no 003? 003, type it 003. Is there check the password standard for all the client. So what is standard user ID is each and everything you check the client. Click on execution. What is standard user ID? Standard clients are triple. Click on execute. Click on execute. It's getting now over 32 is there, no?
Yes, all over the 32 is there. Yes.
Yes, after installation, you're getting a SAP star DDSC and the password. Okay, what is the password? What is the password?
Okay.
So everything get on, you know.
Okay. Okay. Okay, understand. Okay, and another question is these three I just escaped because I think these three from the GRC. The selection of user, the 10th one also from GRC, the selection of SAP user reviewed performed by the management based on frequency. This is from GRC, right?
Which one? 14th one?
No, 10th one.
Yeah, 10th one, that all are.
Okay.
10th volt is the.
Okay. Then this one. Yes, E070.
15th one you do, na? 15th you can do, and 14th also you can do, na?
No, actually for 15th one, in my system, in my server, there is no TMS configuration over here.
Okay.
If I'll show you the HTMS, okay. If I go for the import overview, so TMS not configured in the system.
Try any other system, na?
Yes, but no system have any TMS configuration.
Okay.
And this one, and for this one, for the E070 table from the SC16N for the audit report, this should be contain the list of user and owner of each transaction request. So I taking the data. Yes. So owner is the SAP owner is the this one is the owner or SAP user. I just taking the duplicate remove.
What is the first column?
So first column is the request or task.
Okay. Okay. What is there?
What is meaning of request and task here?
I don't. The number is not. What is the number? This is not E070. It's a different when you showing category system.
Just a minute. EC16N. Okay, and for the easy, what is the transaction code?
E070.
E070. Okay, E070. The execute. This is the same. The request task type status target. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
No, this is not. See, he's showing a header of the request and so bracket you have 5 lakh is there.
But this is the E070.
Actually, you want to getting at the transport request number and transport request type and what is this? These are the standard risk. Maybe it's not. It's available into the recipe. I don't know. Even I to see first because when you go for at the day, what we'll do. So you have to preparing as a, all the transport requests, what you're releasing, everything. So at the time, I can use for this.
Okay. For E070.
Yeah, E0701, you have to download all the. If you have another ECC system, go for ECC system. Let me check it. And how you going to Excel sheets?
I just download it and try to show the. Just a minute. E070. And
To
if
take
I go
the
for
transport requests.
okay, and maximum hit I just remove and execution.
Showing the customizing request, workman's request, transport of copies. That is a odd one.
Okay. It's taking the time.
They don't put the star is better. It's taking.
Actually, where I am working right now, they always told me that maximum number hits. I always remove this section to taking the all the data.
Okay.
Yes.
They are also saying same thing.
This is at the same.
Also. Well, you're getting the transport request number, and that is the request type and request. This is the transport request header request systems. So when is the request number scroll down? These are the standard requests, I think. Scroll down. Below is get the number. See, that is the number actually. SID
Achha,
K95.
this one. Yes.
Above one is the writing with the header. I don't know what is that is actually below one workbench request. F is what is F and what is T is.
So here also is there also.
Okay. That's correct. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, this one.
That's okay.
Yes, these are the request number. So how can I find here from this number? How can I find what is the workbench request? What is the customizing request?
The status is then you have to filter it. Second column is there, na? Request type. The second column is for filtering only.
Okay.
There you have W is there.
Acha, this is the status. Okay.
That is
If
not
I
status.
want
The type second one. Second one is. Second one make a filter. Take the uncheck all.
okay.
There until the W.
W. Acha, W is for the workbench. Okay.
W is for what is that? Is a change a document. See customizing request. I think change is different. See category customizing. Go for a category.
Acha, this is the customizing. Okay.
Yes. Now select only customization. The workbench is not showing here. Go for EC system and check it.
Okay. This is the system.
Just press the F1 shortcut F1.
F1.
Designer. Not owner. Categories. You say request. Press the categories. It's not filter. Is then category and
Okay.
filter.
Just a minute.
Go for select the category column. Just press the F1.
Okay.
So you say system is nothing but workbench request. Custom is within client specific.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Workbench is directly is not available. Showing is system only. See system categories. Because it's cross client data.
Okay.
Next one.
And these are the owner also. If I
Who are creating that is a owner.
okay. So for the TMS part, the client client anytime asking for the which one the customizing request and which one the workbench request.
You can move the owner and everything who are releasing everything is because that is also based on the cost is there.
Okay. Okay. And here also I can filter the time also.
Time is not required. Date will be required. That's okay, fine.
No, date. Date. Where I can actually here I can change the
You have
date.
to go for particular date, this pattern, this time to go for all those.
Achha, here I can also select the date also.
You cannot do anything here. You have just putting here, go for SC16, same table you can go for SC16, you can filter the number of columns. Go back, we only can this. What are the
AC16.
if you want any other cases 16.
Okay.
So click
The
on
table number
content.
is same.
Yeah, first one. First icon. Now I can change the number of field from date and time from one day. Okay. So even if you want to add any parameter, any other column, go for main menu. Showing the
Okay, here, yes, what kind of request it is. Okay. Okay.
Okay, go for main menu setting. What are the fields you require? What are the fields you didn't require? Table is preparing is very important for you. Go for field selection. What are the fields are not required? That one you can input it. What are the fields required? I want to only request type. Remove uncheck. High level I don't want. So what those asking what transport request, type and require. Remaining uncheck it. Uncheck is there, checkbox is there, na?
Okay. Yes, uncheck all.
No, don't go for request type is there, uncheck all. Now first one I want to request type owner I want. Only the date and time remaining.
Owner,
Hmm.
date and time also.
Date time is just assume I don't want date and time also.
Okay. So status also need. Okay. So okay.
So only that 4 field will be getting. So you have to reducing the field also.
Sir, in this course, you will also explain about the tables. How many tables is there?
Yeah, that is one AGR. You have only USR 01 to USR 40, AGR to AGR 54, and standard table.
Achha. Okay. And what table is consist of what data? How can I know that?
Yeah, I'll show that.
Achha.
Conflict is not there, just normal table only there. Click on execution.
Achha. Okay. Execution.
Okay.
Okay.
Only the detail, not all details.
Okay. Okay. These are all the. Okay. K here is the right for the tab F1. It's a note ability. Okay. So what is the difference between AC16 and AC16N?
Both are same only. That is display purpose. You have to changing the field and everything.
Achha, which one I can change the everything?
Here you can change the number of fields and everything. There you have to only first display purpose. You cannot do any
The
changes.
AC16N.
Number of field and the content, even the English to Telugu language. Sorry, the field contain English or you can go technical name. Okay, you can change it. Or change it.
Okay. Okay. And achha, this one.
Import history that one you don't have. No?
But sir, how can I extract the user who removed the transport?
So you have the truck button is there. You can just showing the truck button. Import history. Go for HTML. Everything is given. Edit the tab. You don't have that. You have anyway this TMS config. Go for at least HTMS. Any system.
I'll check it.
Or you can go for HTMS underscore import it.
Achha, okay. HTMS underscore import. Not configured.
Click on first truck button.
Yes.
Click on then double click on any system. Go for main menu option. It's showing only for the name, request, and RC. Wanna go for next one? No. In above only how I can go for edit. The Q or go for Q or more option is there.
Acha, Q.
You have go for Q. Go for check and is critical update. Okay. No, it's showing import history. Now go for main menu. Go to option. Go to history. Go for import history.
Import history. Okay.
Something like that. Click on open. There you have the output is same, but he is asking one more table detail. That's enough.
Okay.
You have one more column will be there. You have
Yes.
configure TMS.
Yes, I know.
Also is showing that option. Go for what is the other? Go for Excel sheet once again. It's showing 0 only, but you have one. Wait. Go for Excel sheet that.
Yes. This one, right?
Not this one. The audit.
Acha, okay. Okay.
What happens? So go for select, go to main import history and click on edit tab and display more. Go for edit tab and display more. Only in import history. Click on OK. Go for main menu, edit more.
Edit and more.
The more is disabled. No.
Not showing anything.
Click on display more.
Mode is display mode.
It's showing what is the detail getting? It's showing owner name, username, project name also showing. Previous is not showing.
Okay.
You start downloading the report again here.
Okay.
That's it. The table wise, or you can come to here. Your house, you can check it.
Okay. Okay. So I have to compare this table, this Excel sheet to here the history, whatever history will be there. Okay. So for the audit report, when the client will give me this sheet to prepare. Okay.
Those are asking these all the detail. You have to prepare it. You have to give to them.
Okay. So this 18 number I also need help.
SSC for what kind of changes is done, you want to check it. That you don't do that. With the transition code level, you cannot check it.
Acha, this can I check only from the OS level? Okay. For transaction level, but sir, for the security
What
person,
kind of changes is done is just change logs. SSC4 you cannot do. Go for that particular SSC4 and just double click on that client. You can check in the detail.
Okay.
Here you cannot do any logs here. You want to do this history? Go for the T000 storing all client data. You can just check the log when it is done. That's enough.
Okay, but sir, for any audit member or any security consultant,
Screenshot of how many clients is available in production.
Acha, okay. Okay, so any client will give you the in the support project. In the support project, any client give the 000 client administrator password.
Yeah, it should be there.
Okay. But I heard that many clients will be in the, especially Indian client has refused to give the 000 client details.
No. Who are having? Why those are providing that password?
So that log, if I
1990 during installation, change the password, no?
No, not changing the password. I'm asking for
Is
the
nothing but who are installing this SAP software during installation, you have changed the password, no?
No, I am not asking for the changing the password. I'm asking that I'm telling that Indian clients are refused to give the password to any consultant, security consultant or business consultant in the support project.
How it is performing a support packages triple zero? How you can perform that?
Okay.
Even I want to do upgradation today. Basis wants to do upgradation. Like even you
Yes,
do
yes,
the
always need the 000 client.
yeah, they everything. What
DDSC password.
you
Yes.
just go for now you can do the now we have the some triple zero access. Just go for TMS configuration. What is asking? Go for
Yes.
the where you configure. Previously configured. Do any changes?
Yes.
Typing HTML is showing the error is that.
Yes. This is the error. The TMS is
Uh,
not configured for the SAP.
for SAP systems. If we want to do any configuration, just type it. Like go for more. Again, type the same HTMS.
Acha, here. Okay.
Here only. See what the message is getting.
Yes, exactly.
At that time, how we can do? Suppose if you want to add another system, how we can do that?
Yes. Okay. I have just actually go for the 18 option. Rest of the I will check. Actually, I have just completed till the 18th option. Rest of the I will do.
No, you can do the remaining also. It's better to compare to.
Yes.
You can do today.
And
Then you
one. Yes.
can compare this time, all this. You're getting idea.
Okay. And sir, how can I check this dev access?
Yeah, that is also table only, no?
Actually, if I go for
Everything is a tables only. Who are having a development access, developer key.
Okay. So dev access.
Click on execution. First of all, enter and execution. Nobody having. Try it in the system.
In another system, right?
Enter first of all, enter. See what is appear. Table for development access. Click on execution.
Okay.
Showing how many members are there? 135 members having the developer access. Developer key access. Okay. So yes, before analysis with the go for EC system is better showing all the detail.
Okay. I will check all the details in the ECC system. Okay. Okay, sir, you can continue, sir. Yes. Sir, what is the transaction for the mass user?
No, LSN. First of all, complete it. Clishil will go for that.
Acha, okay. OBR3.
Do all those things, okay? Complete this all those things.
Sure.
For tomorrow for that, okay?
Okay,
First,
sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Sure.